Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create a hyperlink in Microsoft Word. Okay, so if you are using Word and you want to add any link, your website link or any document link in your Word document, so how to do it? So first you have to select the word where you want to add the hyperlink. Okay, so as I want to add my hyperlink here, so what you have to do, just select that word. Okay, then what you have to do, go to insert, then in insert here you will see link option, just click on link, again click on link. Okay, then if you have a web page or a file, you have to just enter the address here, or you can copy and paste. Okay, you can copy the address and paste it here. Okay, so I'm going to add this address, www.youtube.com/subh. Okay, then when I click on OK, you will see hyperlink has been created. Okay, so when you if I double click here, okay, you will see the page will be opened here. Okay, so like this you can enter hyperlink in Word document. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos.